training in a few minutes.
Oh my
We
god.
must have missed them during our sleep.
That was supposed to happen. ScruffPack, how will let your boy ScruffPack here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I bring you guys part 5 of Ratchet Clank, the 2016 game made playable on the PS4. But if you guys made it this far, you already knew that. I won't keep you guys here any longer. I'm gonna bring you guys more into the action. So strap in and let's get the show started. All right, so we were on Railguard. We did our hoverboard race. We searched the sewers.
Important to do on Railguard.
Let me see. Hoverboard race, sewers. Got the silver and gold cup, and we talked to the sketchy guy who told me about the Rhino Hollow cards, which was, you know, back in part 4.5. We're gonna go to Kerwan now and deliver the info bot to the Galactic Rangers.
Warn the Rangers.
See, which I feel like we probably should have been did that, but we're going to do it now.
We're too late. The invasion has started.
Oof.
Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat, enemy ships are now in the central district of Alero City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area.
Let me go ahead and save the day real quick.
We must assist
Oh,
the Galactic
shit.
Rangers, activating weapons systems.
Okay.
Weapons online. You may now attack the transport.
Oh, it's inverted. I don't like it being inverted. Where's the transport at?
Transport down!
Yeah!
Whoever you are, thank you.
This thing about inverted is a mug, bro.
More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
None
Oh.
on my watch.
Well, they might, because this controls is hard.
Blarg transport down.
I'm glad they slowed me down to shoot.
Whoever's doing heroic things up there, this is up.
Another transport down.
You better get mad.
Here's there are only 3 ships left.
Yeah, another one down.
Just 2 more ships.
Do I hold it? Oh, I can hold it. Oh.
Yes, we're on a roll.
A barrel roll. Oh, you don't. Oh, these inverted controls is different. Can I slow it down? I think he's too close. All right, let's do a U-turn. All right, let's go ahead and gotcha. All right, get this aim together.
That's the last of them.
Nice.
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transports. But we still gotta take out that warship.
The warbot's armor is made of a raritanium alloy. If we could propel a warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull.
Awesome. How do we do that?
Your weapon package includes a mag booster.
Hey.
I am rewriting the software to isolate the warbot's armor. Ah, there. You should now be able to pick up warbots using the mag booster.
Okay, let's try this out.
All right.
Mag booster active.
There should be some warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship. We have enough power for a few more warbots if you make another pass.
Are they still? Okay, cool.
All systems restored.
Not y'all
Warbots
blasting me.
successfully magnetized. Setting
Alright.
course for Blarg warship.
These inverted controls I can't.
Now, return to sender. Boom.
I like it.
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
1 in a million. Let's do it again.
I'm on you.
Locking on. Release. Yeah, that one hurt.
I like
believe
it.
The warship has sustained critical damage.
All right.
Yeah, one more hit should do it. Hit it.
All right.
There is enough power to pick up more warbots.
Let's pick up some more then.
That's gonna add some points to my license.
Oops. Got some more right here.
Engage!
All resources consumed. We cannot carry any more warbots.
All right, sound good. Sound good.
Get ready. Police warbots!
Got it.
Warship down. We did it!
Way to go, whoever you are!
The name's Ratchet. You already know.
All right, everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Dallas Wanamaker here. Does this mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now?
Bitch.
Well, I don't see why not. And that is how dumb luck helped a rookie Lombax take out a Blargian warship.
That wasn't no dumb luck. He and that robot made a great pair.
That's enough out of you, Solitary Bill. Sheesh. You give a guy your pudding cup once, and then you can never get rid of him.
So, what happened next?
Well, Drek didn't take too kindly to having his plan ruined by a Lombax and his robot pal, so he sent Blargian mercenaries to take them out.
Clank, look out!
Oh, no.
You all right, pal?
Not the mercenaries.
All systems operational, but we should get back to the Hall of Heroes.
Hey, Ratchet, where'd you go? We're supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Oh my
We
god.
must have missed them during our sleep of the...
That was supposed to happen. I don't need no training. Oh, what are those?
Check out my inventory. I got the best deals in the galaxy. Probably.
Synthenoid is programmed to protect its operator on the battlefield. Fun. Yeah, I'm gonna give me one of those.
Incoming dropship.
Captain Quark here, reminding you that I've got your back. You're welcome.
Yeah, whatever. I'll deal with them later. Let's use the trespasser, shall we? We want you. Fun. Alright, hold on, wait a minute. What are we missing? Nice. Thank you. Alright.
Hey,
What card we get? Oh, we gotta open it. Oh, okay. This is Zodiac. Oh, it's a Rhino card. Hey. Is that... Ooh, I'm about to go back and get that joint made. Alright, let's, I need to waste ammo here. I'll make him dance. Oh, you feeling it? Hard to see. None of that. None of that. Oh, he's not close enough. Oh, they did say close range. Look at you all pixelated and shit. Oh, whoa, no, you don't. Hold on, I'm letting y'all hit me. I'm trying to dodge the circle the whole time it's X. I'm too big, man. I'm too big in this town. Come on now.
Oh no,
Dance.
more enemies.
Let's do. Oh. Not my best idea. Not my best idea. Anybody? Just a lot. Not anymore. Thank you. Actually, I want to change this to this. And then this can be back to this. This can stay. That can stay. Alright, cool. Alright. We got our build here. I think we got a nice little build.
Hey, Ratchet, are you at Al's place yet?
Almost there. Oh, that figure on Ion dragged that clown.
Back off me.
I see it. Let's get it.
Don't do that to yourself. Alright. Let's break this down. Yes. Shoot.
Who's out there? Don't make me call.
That must be Big Al's place.
Does the helicopter dance too?
I
Oh no, not at all.
level into Unicom 2, Return of Unicom. And so help me, if I have to put
accidents.
down this controller.
He's down.
Oh, you just dodged, you little bastard.
Saving my game. Pausing. Accessing menu. Selecting options. Save game. Progress bar. And
Oh, I don't have no ammo.
save.
Wait a minute.
That's it. I'm calling the Galactic Rangers.
No need, boss. Aha!
This is your...
Oh, he got me. I didn't realize my life was so low.
Oh, my back is killing me. You think you would have had Victor Von Ion drag that clown up to the train?
You want to be the one to tell Mr. Von Ion what he should be doing?
Hey, level up.
It's the lava!
What are they doing? Yeah.
Who's out there? Don't make me call the authorities.
I'm gonna save all this. Let's go with the
Citizens of
bomb.
Alero City, I know when you think of
That must be Big Al's place.
That's it. I'm saving my game. Pausing. Accessing menu. Selecting options. Save game.
Woo.
I believe we are
Got him.
clear.
Nice. Now let me give me some ammo real quick. Yes, sir.
Holy cow. I've died and gone to nerd heaven. Look at this. They have my blaster runs hot. Fungoid with a stick. Oh, Spiro the Space Moose. They even have the mega limited ultra edition of Intransigence Fall of Blarg.
That one comes with exclusive content if you pre-ordered through Gadgetron. I take it you're the ones Cora called me about? The ones in need of a new helipack upgrade?
You must be Big Al. It is nice to meet you. I am Clank. This is Ratchet.
You're
Well, any friend of Cora's is a friend of mine. She and I kind of have a will we, won't we romance in progress.
This
Hop
guy.
onto my workbench. I'll get you all squared away.
Upgrades. We love good upgrades.
Just reattaching the sister board, connecting the data port, and presto! Try it out.
Yes, sir.
Looking good, pal.
Getting back to the Hall of Heroes is easy. Just head this way until you find the Graph Train station. That'll take you straight back.
Thanks again, Big Al.
Not enough yet. Not enough.
Breaking news coming out of Kerwan's famous Aliro City. This afternoon, Blarg forces attacked the Hall of Heroes in a daring attempt to assassinate the Galactic Rangers. The assault was put to a thrilling end thanks to the work of a Lombax named Ratchet and his friend... Am I reading this right? Clank? Here's the official statement from local hero, Captain...
Let's see what his bitch ass gotta say.
I just want everyone to know that the Galactic Rangers have everything under control. I've spoken with President Vironix personally, and he's given me the go-ahead to bring Charon direct to justice for his action.
Up next, the comments section. How you can add meaning to your life by anonymously attacking people you've never met. Stay with us.
I love it.
The duo forged ahead, using their helipack's enhanced jump capabilities.
Oh. I can think.
Now, long jumps would have only been possible for heroes like myself.
Ah, here you go.
Fortunately, Clank's new helipack helped them come closer to my level of greatness.
Oh, I like it. I can dig it. I can dig it. What's down here, though? Money? Shh. Thought I was gonna leave that? Y'all bugging.
Hey.
Thank you, thank you. Going up.
The duo found themselves at a perilous drop. Would their new helipack help them glide to safety?
They better. I love it.
Nice. We're gonna send you to Lombax heaven.
That was an accident. That's an accident.
We
All right,
are
whew.
far from the train station.
Got them all. Got them all. Got them all. I think we're good. We're good. Probably shouldn't have wasted that bullet. All right, let's do. We want this one. Actually, no. Put you there. Put you here. Like it. Ow. Oh. Alright, we out here surviving, thriving. Doing all that good stuff. Okay, okay. Always more. There's always more. Give me some of that. Thank you, thank you. Okie dokie.
The A train is now arriving. Please stand clear.
Uh-oh.
Attention, all passengers. Due to the recent invasion, all trains may be swarming with armed flawed mercenaries. We apologize for this inconvenience.
Not the inconvenience. It's not for y'all. It's for you. Get away. Oh. Glad this shit don't hurt me, because, man.
There it is. Come on, let's hitch a ride.
Need you to get off.
Attention,
Beautiful.
travelers. Grab train D is about to depart. Next stop, please stand clear. The A train is now departing.
Alright, cool.
Wants that payload delivered to the Hall of Heroes, pronto.
Come on, Clank. Let's make sure that doesn't happen.
That's the breach. I'm gonna do this. Oh, that works too. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Get out of here. Gotta back it up. Whoa, is that fire? Oh shit. Oh, he's gone. Can I break these? Man. Oh. What is that?
I hope that didn't cost too much.
Big old fish.
I'm sure there's a very good reason for transporting killer fish.
I don't know, man. That's a little sketchy. Go this way. Oh no.
Whoa, live animals on board.
Oh, bitch.
That hurts.
Thank you. I need all of that. Oh, go around. They don't see me. Oh, easy peasy. Oh, this one's still alive. Ah! Get out of here. Alright. Moving on. Oh. Easy does it, easy does it. Oh. Thank you. I'm stuck. Oh.
There's more coming our way.
Alright, hold on. Let's do one of these. Get you to stop shooting at me. Alright, worry about that. Such a good investment. Would you die? Thank you. Hey, max health.
That's the last of them.
Those bombs appear to be proximity triggered. They will detonate on arriving at the Hall of Heroes.
I see. Then it's time for an early drop-off.
Sure is. Let's go ahead and let this motherfucker go. Whew.
Rax, come in. We're arriving at the Hall of Heroes.
Copy that, Ratchet. I'll meet you at the front entrance and we'll begin your training.
We've been cleared to attack Drek Industries in 3 days. That means you two are getting the accelerated course.
Ha! That's right, lives at home 472. What's the matter? Don't like getting your butt kicked.
Hey, Alaris.
Hi, Rax.
Alaris here is in charge of developing our gear and providing tactical support.
Usually it's the former. The Rangers are the shoot first, think later type. I am
Shut
sorry,
up.
I didn't mean to sound like that.
Like what now?
Come on, I'll show you around.
Let's go, Cadet. Time to make you a ranger.
I'll see you in a bit.
We're gonna have so much fun.
Your protosuit is the most advanced combat armor on the market. And it comes in all the latest fall colors.
Sweet.
Hey.
This is awesome. So what next? Halo jump into enemy territory? Suborbital combat training?
In time, rookie. Next up is basic training. The captain designed this fitness course to help us reach our top physical condition. Good luck.
No. See Clank running up to me and whatnot.
Greetings, cadets, and welcome to the Captain Court Fitness Course. Watch it. I'm Galactic Ranger property.
Alright, let's do this.
Hey.
Congratulations
Oh.
on reaching the summit of justice.
Hey, get
Your
up there.
quadriceps must be burning with righteousness. And, Pete, why are you so violent? Do you expect some sort of extra points or something?
So why are you so violent? Oh, don't mind if I do. I'm digging the suit.
It's time to ascend to the... Watch it. I'm Galactic Ranger property.
Oh, these don't move. Oh, they did move. Aha. Alright, what's next? I probably could have made that, to be honest. Oh, no, you didn't just fall. Alright, let's try this again. So I can make the jump without that. Ha! Don't need that. What's this? Oh no. Whew. I'm out here. I does this. Hey, hey, hey. Nope.
Congratulations.
Whew, whew, whew.
The Tower of Power. Head to the main platform to claim your prize, Ranger.
Yes, sir. All this money.
The last cadet that got this far went on to become nothing. But the guy before that, oh yeah, same thing.
Not same thing.
This training course isn't very good at training. Why are you so violent? Do you expect some sort of extra points or something?
All right.
I
Done
see
with the
you
fitness
just
course.
finished my training course. Aren't you just full of stuff you can do?
Hater.
Meet me outside the Hall of Heroes. I have an assignment for you.
Such a hater. Such a hater. Got some goods over here before I meet him. Oh, I guess not.
Since you're now one of us, I thought it was time to get you a new ride.
Hey.
Whoa. A Class G Star Jumper? Is this for me?
Technically, it's Galactic Ranger property, but if you survive, complete this super secret yet completely on the level mission, she'll be yours to use however you like.
What is this secret
If
mission?
you survive.
I call it Operation Falling Star. Congratulations, Cadet. You've been selected for Operation Falling Star. Galactic Ranger Intel tells us Chairman Drek has a state-of-the-art weapons lab in Nebula G-34. Your mission is to destroy his top-secret project without, and this is important, telling anyone. Ever. Seriously, this is our little secret.
Sure, but I don't see why...
Please save your questions until the end of the presentation. You'll need to access Drek's laboratory using a trespasser, your wits, and the kind of fortitude normally found in more
seasoned rangers. Get in, destroy whatever he's working on, and get out. I'll monitor your position from here. Good luck.
I wish I could be there to see you off, but I have an urgent appointment with my acupuncturist. Call me when you arrive at Nebula G34. I'm counting on you, Ratchet.
You got it, Captain.
Man, whatever. This man praying on my downfall, I tell you. Let me go ahead and buy this real quick and go ahead and
How about a Groovatron upgrade? Oh, I just might make my Don't forget, let Mr. Zircon do the work for you.
Alright, ScruffPack, that is all the time we have for today's video. This has been part 5 of Ratchet & Clank. I hope you guys have been enjoying the playthrough series so far, and if you enjoyed this particular video, leave a like and a comment down below, as well as subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. That way you get notified when a new video goes live. I appreciate you all for tuning into this series, as well as following me on my socials. I have my Twitter, Twitch, IG, and TikTok all linked down below, as well as my Gilded server. Hop in that and check out the rest of the ScruffPack. But again, thank you all for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video. Later.